Hey, what's up, beautiful people? My name is Nandi Mngoma, and we're here in sunny LA, and I am definitely in love. With me is the gorgeous Miss V.
I'm just really versatile. I do some gospel, I do some high life, some hip hop, some R&B, anything. I like to have fun as I go, and so yes, if it makes sense and I love it and I'm feeling it, I do it. What my fans don't know about me, I am crazy about dogs. Crazy! I love dogs very much. The biggest misconception is the fact that they think it's all fun and games. And it's really stressful, by the way. It's so much work. You can't even understand it till you are in it. Let me just say, as a female, I have to work like twice as hard as the guys have to, because they get their attention really, really, really easy. And from where I come from, tradition and the way they perceive women and stuff like that, you have to know how to be just right. As a girl, you have to try and work extra hard. But we're pulling through.
Why do you think the world right now has its eyes on the continent and what it has to offer now more than ever?
Africa is getting that attention now because we're just genuine. And what we have is different from the rest of the world. It's not any strange thing that people are looking at us now. I think we're just really cool.
So what can we expect from you for the rest of 2016?
2016, massive things. It's been so good so far, and it's getting better. I was in Joburg early part of this year. I was shooting a few videos, so people should just watch out. Yes.
Incredible. Well, thank you so much, Ms. V. And of course, all the best for your nomination.